Institutions and Measures. Question 1. Clydebank Declaration recently seen in news is related to A. Protecting at least 20 snow leopard landscapes with viable snow leopard populations by 2020. B. Conservation of whales and the importance of maintaining the moratorium on commercial whaling. C. Science-based and innovative actions on an urgent basis for ocean conservation. D. Establishment of green shipping corridors globally. Question 2. Which of the following statements is correct about the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, IPBES? 1. It publishes the Global Assessment of Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services Report. 2. It was established under the Convention on Biological Diversity. 3. Non-governmental organizations, NGOs, can also join IPBES. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding the 11th World Urban Forum, WUF, 2022. 1. The World Urban Forum was established by the UN to examine rapid urbanization and its impact on communities, cities, economies, climate change and policies. 2. World Cities Report 2022 Envisaging the Future of Cities said that the global urban population was back on track to grow by another 2.2 billion people by 2050. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. Which of the following initiatives were launched by the Energy and Resources Institute, TERI? 1. World Sustainable Development Summit. 2. Lighting a Billion Lives, LABL. 3. Green Olympiad. 4. Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment, GRAHA. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 5. Consider the following regarding the harnessing green hydrogen. 1. It is a report released by the Indian Meteorological Department, IMD. 2. Under it, 3 hydrogen corridors should be developed across the country based on state grant challenges. 3. Green hydrogen is utilized solely in fertilizers and methanol sectors. 4. It has recommended to reduce or exempt the GST and custom duties on production of green hydrogen. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 2 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. In the context of Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, CDRI, consider the following statements. 1. It promotes the resilience of both new and existing infrastructure systems to climate and disaster risks in support of sustainable development. 2. CDRI along with other institutions release Global Resilience Index Initiative, GRII. 3. Membership for CDRI includes national government, multilateral banks as well as private sectors. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. Niti Aayog has recently launched the State Energy and Climate Index, SECI, Round -1. In the context of this, consider the following statements. 1. Gujarat has topped State Energy and Climate Index Round 1 among larger states, followed by Kerala and Punjab. 2. The Clean Energy Initiative has the highest weightage among all parameters of the State Energy and Climate Index, SECI. 3. States and UTs have been categorized into groups of performers, front-runners, achievers, and aspirants. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. In the context of World Heritage Forests Report, consider the following statements. 1. The World Heritage Forests Report has been published by UNESCO in collaboration with the International Union of Forest Research Organizations and Forest Survey of India, Dehradun. 2. Andaman and Nicobar are among 5 sites that have the highest blue carbon stocks globally. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Consider the following statements about Global Wildlife Program. 1. It is a World Bank-led global partnership that promotes wildlife conservation and sustainable development by combating illicit trafficking in wildlife. 2. It was launched by Global Environment Facility, GEF, as the Global Partnership on Wildlife Conservation and Crime Prevention for Sustainable Development. 3. It seeks to reduce both supply and demand that drives legal wildlife trade and protect species and habitats through integrated landscape planning. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 10. High Flying, Insight into Wildlife Trafficking Through India's Airports is a report which found the trafficking of over 70,000 native and exotic wild animals at Indian airports between 2011 to 2020. The report is published by A. United Nations Development Programme. B. Traffic. C. Worldwide Fund. D. World Economic Forum.